Does your Starlink internet connection sometimes drop out or lose connection? Did you know if you have a Starlink connected to your computer over Wi-Fi, you can improve your connectivity by tethering your cell phone at the same time so that you stay connected even if your Starlink experiences a dropout? First, you'll need to download Speedify to be able to bond the two internet connections together. Speedify is the only app that lets you combine multiple internet sources into one bonded super connection for better speed, security, and reliability. Once you have Speedify installed and running, make sure you're connected to your Starlink Wi-Fi. Next, to connect to your tethered phone, plug it into your computer via the appropriate USB cable. Enable USB tethering in your phone settings. Once you're connected to both connections, you should see them show up in Speedify. Now, just click the switch to turn on Speedify and you'll be bonding your Starlink internet with your phone cellular for better speed, security, and reliability. Thanks for watching.